What exactly is machine learning? How does that work?
Well, in fact, it's a provision of algorithms. So handling of data in order to find patterns in there. So I would say the main thing about machine learning is that you have data from not one source, but from many sources that you can jointly analyze them and to see whether there's anything that unites them or anything that divides them. Like if I mean, the practical thing would be if you have this, what's it called, the cocktail party conversation. Like you put a couple of microphones above a cocktail party and then people are talking, some in groups and some just individually to each other. And then you have all this mishmash of voices there, and you try to sort out who is actually in conversation with who. So you need to sort of assign the sources. And if you do it automatically, that's what machine learning does. It's just an optimal filter, if you like. So you put in a lot of data, and then sort of there's some clever shuffling around of this data in the analysis that gives you some candidates for this might be a group that works together, and that's another group. And that's of course very nice if you have multiple rhythms, right? If brain have
Right.
many rhythms that go on at the same time because so many things are processed. There's language and there's vision and there's smell and somatosensory, your body sensations. And then you want to sort of pick them out and say which one is the abnormal one that is epileptic, which one is the normal one. And that's, of course, a concern for operation because when you operate, you don't want to take out the language center. It's actually wrong. It's here. I'm left-sided.
Right.
You can't
Right.
destroy that part, right? Because then people will end up not speaking anymore. Similar for listening or seeing. So you have to spare those parts. So you need to identify what's going on where.